love to pause. And look my pain, look my put my pain. Stop on my lane, stop breaking up this chain.
Yeah, it's that real love. So non-fictional, you know what I mean? I know, Brooke. My mother, I love you, it's so close to my heart. Place no one above you, even though we fall apart. Most times I struggle, I feel your prayers, for sure you care. Hard to reminisce about those times we shared. From the good to the bad, you always were there. I take heed to the teaching, your words are so true. The sun never forgets, this verse is for you, love. I love you, so close to my heart. Place no one above you, even though we fall apart. Most times I struggle, I reminisce about the hard times when money was tight. You taught me how to be a man, and you taught me to fight. Had my back in the dark times, you showed me the light. Post the bill the same night, put the house on the line. When everybody was negative, you taught me to shine. Never worry, it's just a matter of time. My biggest fan is worry on the ride for mine. You said it's all about the family, this world is cold. Remember nights we had no heat, we used that stove. No one like all the times, everything I shut down. You learn, I call out the balls. You know my pain, and then I put my faith. Stop on the rain, stop breaking up this train.
It wasn't that long ago when this little angel totally took control of my life. With one look in her beautiful eyes, oh, she's just so amazing. She's my inspiration. I'd give all that I have, for your safety and your happiness, my baby. You mean the world to me. So grateful for my wonderful daughter. I'm so blessed to be your father, yeah. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. No one has ever made me feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. No one has ever made me feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She has my heart. Yeah. From the day of my first met to the day of my first step, to the times that I felt I had nothing else left to live for. You were the one to tell me to be be strong, be strong. Keep your head up, son, and hold on. Now hold on, cause this life is a blessing. No sense in giving it all up, just cause you're stressing. My son, if you need anything, I am right here. You always have my back, and with you, there's no fear. Now you mean the world to me. I've got to say that I am living so happily. I am proud to be a son. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. Now and day, feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. No one else ever made me feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She has my heart. Now this last verse is dedicated to the love of my life, the one who's always been right here by my side. You make me wanna be a better man. You make me wanna do all that I can for you, babe. Yes, you are my lady. We gotta share a ups and downs. Nevertheless, you always hold it down. Baby, I am here for you, just like you are here. Darling, you mean the world to me. Let's make a stand and show how love's supposed to be. You're my everything. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. Now what I feel this way. Her smile is way of my day. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. Now and then, feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She had my heart. I think about her every night and day. Every night and day, feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She has my heart. I think about her every night and day. Now and then, feel this way. Her smile alone just brightens up my day. She had my heart. Like you. She's got a head on dark edges, a tender smile that lets me know that she cares. Beautiful brown eyes that seem to my soul. It makes my life complete. It makes me whole. Your face to me, it's like the sun that sets upon the sea.
Happy 70th birthday. Sorry we couldn't be there tonight. We wish we were there to celebrate your day. Thank you for just all the guidance and all the prayers and everything that you taught me and Jordan and all his grandchildren and all the parents as well. Yeah, again, I wish we could be there to celebrate your mark, but yeah, I hope to see you soon. May the good Lord bless you with many more years to come, and I love you. Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you're enjoying your night so far. Wish we could be with you and celebrate your 70th birthday together. May many more years to come. And I love you, Nana.
On your special birthday, we bet you're going to have the best day ever. I just wanted to say thank you for always being a strong shoulder that I can cry on, and I always know that I can come to you. Sorry that we can't be there today. Wish for this party with you. We love you. We missed you so much. Wanted to thank you for all the memories and everything else that you've done for myself and our family. Thanks, Nana, for being that one strong person that's always trying to encourage us to come to church and bring all of our kids there. Just thank you for everything. That's really good. Thank you, Nana, for all your love and for being there for us all the time. Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, dear Gamma. Happy birthday, dear Gamma.
Yay, say bye!
Happy birthday.